feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn petty. Gotta keep on chugging, ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy, got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up, I'm trying to get an NFT to get them when they're hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities are never come unless you paying attention, so no, I can't miss that. Moving, MVP, I got the record, I might have to pro something. Big jumper worthy, they gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming, had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no wins, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'm a jacket like Letterman, y'all better not let them in, they gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling, started a chain, the cycle is heaven sent, this is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit, I'm a pit bull in this element, yeah, said you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah, I've been married to this hustle, this is my ring, watch out, step in it, yeah, and I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here, watch out, touchdown, pulling plans out the clutch, everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now, have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that, big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that, work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no wins, yeah, I did all that, had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my, yeah.
Good morning. You know what I'm doing? Sorry. Prioritizing life. Priorities. The best sound in the world. I'm getting addicted to these baguettes. It's not too bad, it's quite healthy. Chicken, tomato, lettuce. Here we go. What a crazy ride yesterday, huh? I'll tell you what, it was quite an easy trading day, but I can see why it could be wild for a few. We'll go over that. Stefan, good morning. Michael, Thomas, Elias, OTR, Seal Salmon, Zan. I think we need to move close by and open a coffee shop and sandwich bar for Yanis. Yes, please. As long as I get it for free, that would be amazing. Janice, DXYs, Lofty Lights, Casey Chung. Haven't seen you for a while. Kumar, Evan, Jimmy, Yanut, I love that name. Cinematographer, Pop. Yesterday was insane for me, says Rich. Tell us more. Let's find out. Shan, nice to see you. We've missed you in the community. Shan has been on holiday. Dark water. Deep. Thabo Massina, Murray is in. Star Beyond the Sky, Thabo and Mofos. Welcome all. Woo. Let's close yesterday, so we had a good day. More than our target, $515. Repositioning at its best. Look at all these. I'm starting to get the feel of what is required during this period. We'll talk about that. Why we've changed slightly the way we do things. Why we trade in 0.5 instead of one lot at the moment. Someone might say, well, if you did the same with one, you would have made a lot more money. Would I have made the same decisions though if I was one lot? That's the question. Crazy push up, crazy push down, and now come in the middle. Let's see where we are. Came back into the golden zone, 50 and 61.8. Morgan from Berlin. I'm a Rajpreet. Hello, Azatu. Marcel's in the house. You are early today. I am. I have to leave early, so I have to leave at 12 today. So I thought instead of leaving, not getting enough 3 hours of trading, I'll join in a bit earlier. So we have a bit of time in the morning, getting ready for the prep. Remember, NFB. So whatever trades we can get this morning, brilliant. The afternoon, size down. Don't be that guy. We're not gamblers. We're money machines. Zan says, I went to bed last night. That's a good start. And set a pending order at 127,700. Why 700? It's quite high up. And TP at 2695. So you're short in it. And woke up with a nice surprise. Nice. $741 NFB. Oh yeah, that's nice one, Marcel. Let's see. Right, guys. Yesterday, we were spot on. We were like this. And what did we say? I think it's going to come back to the 61.8. Remember, we broke it down from the monthly. Why we thought this is going to be coming in retest. We did talk about the opportunity of going to the 129, like a nice target. So if we go back to the 15, let's review what happened. We had our worst entry here. We repositioned it. We let it run. Made about 10 pips to the previous daily high. Missed that move. You can see it here. Literally on that high, we closed it here. It continued for another 43 to there. And then we got our shorts. Started early. Repositioned. Pushed up. Repositioned. Oh, sorry, let that trade go. Made 2 lots here. 1 lot, 0.5s to that. With that move. Then we waited, retraced into the fair value gaps here. We picked up this one. That move there. And then since that move happened, we shorted because we broke off structure, pushed down, made some good profits there. Classic OTE, push back into this fair value gap, short here. Where did it stop? Bang on the 127. We made that pretty nice trade there. When it came down here, start repositioning from this fair value here. So we had to reposition this trade. Sell side got taken out. Down here, nice little entries here. Total of these are 2 lots. So repositioned back to the 127 here. You can see that there. And now we're left with this one and the worst entries. Price pushed back up. Made my profits of 515 here. Do I keep these live? No, I've been paid. Could I have made more money? Yes. Am I greedy? No. Happy days. Close this trade for 118 to make a total of 577 with the commissions 515. Good day of trading. Come back today and repeat. Price is back in the cold. Now, this is interesting because we hit our target of 618 and we made a high, so it failed to get into the 800s. The 800s, roughly. Oh, we did hit 800s. What I meant to say, we didn't hit the 128. Last time we hit it was 22nd of June. DXY. The reverse story. Push down, previous daily high, broke the highs. Look at that. Look at that. 4-hour fair value gap. To the pip. Boom. And then delivered a price. Into that fair value gap. It's not crazy. Science. Happens over and over again. Push back down. Now we need to put our dailies. Making a higher previous day and a lower previous day low. What was that telling us? It's fanning. So the price made a higher price and a lower price. What's that telling you? We've engulfed the previous day. Means that we're gonna have a volatile day. Was it engulfed in a red candle? So is this the sell-off of the DXY? That's a question. We will see. We still haven't hit this, which is the 76.4 on a weekly. It's buy side liquidity above this area. So there's still room. If sell-off happens on the DXY, it means the pound dollar is screaming upwards. Where to? 129, 128. Equilibrium 50%. Nice. Discount. So where can this go? Look at that. Been making high lows and fatigued here. That higher low to get that liquidity didn't happen because of that fair value gap there. So we had a reaction. Now, price can easily come up to make a bigger high. So is it going to be a short day on the pound dollar? That's what we need to be thinking. If it's a short day, where do we get involved? If it's a long day, we know the game. 129s, fair value gaps, at least 128s. Retest these highs on the 128, 500. Big day today. Big day. Let's look at our counts, where we're sitting. Broke the 60s, nice. 83%. Look at that. Lining out. Smoothing that line. So, this is a good indication, right? What happened? We were smooth. And then we hit this period here between 12th of the 6th until the 30th. Half a month. Where things were working, so we're still improving the account, but there was a little bit of a wobble. That sent my indications that the conditions of the market have changed a little bit. What do? Adjust it, and now we're smoothing out. That's how you improve this profit factor. Yeah? 83%. Let's go back to... The copier. Look at that. We're starting to learn a little bit about the 3% drawdown. I have contacted the fivers, because I think I think we need to adjust this a little bit, especially on the lower counts. 18. So you start with a 20,000, and you can only lose 1,200. You either trade very, very small, which we already are, 0.08. That's small. Really? Wait a minute. 0.15. So it's a quarter of the lot. Why is 0.0? That's small. Let's see what we made yesterday. So when I made 515, custom period yesterday. So we made 100. That's okay. That can't be right then. Oh, it is. 0.08 volume. And we're making $32. That's big. That's a lot of pips. Right, anyway, it is working for now. We've weathered the way to becoming a more smoother graph. That's what we need to test. We were trying to figure out how repositioning can work without triggering these 3% drawdowns, daily pauses. So what I've said, I chatted to the fivers, most of them, dropped them a message to say, for me, it makes sense that if the daily drawdown is 3%, as I improve my account, I don't want to have a daily 3%. That should reward me by making money to increase my allowance of drawdown. So let's say I've got 3% and suddenly I've increased by 1%. Then why not have, let's say, half an improvement? So you get 3.5% of daily pause, or 4% if you want to be with the profits. It doesn't. The only thing that changes, we would have passed this a lot faster. But as you can see, if I trade normally, it gets hit. So I couldn't have done that because the next one would have been blown the account. So I'd size down. So now we're gonna have to take this slow, grindy road. We're 50% there, another grand. Hopefully, what was this? 600 on the third, 700 on the third. So about $300 in a week. 2.5 weeks and we'll pass this. I just want it faster. I want to get the account a lot bigger, a lot faster. The good thing about this is that it doubles. So next one is 40, next one is 80, 160, 320, 640, and then we get up in the big ones. But that 3%, because as the account gets bigger, my lot doesn't change. So I will be able to deal with a bigger account with the 3% drawdown. But on the small ones, it's just too tight. Just too tight. I hope that makes sense to you guys. Let's touch base. I don't like the fivers for that. MFFX better in my opinion. Let me start my throat. I actually love the fivers, honestly. They're very responsive. They payments like within a day. I've been requesting 5Ks at a time. No issue at all. Every month. Update on Discord. I do have an update on Discord. I'm going to show you. Sorry, I've got this. I need coffee. Don't be greedy. You're absolutely right, Marcel. We don't need to be greedy. Right, let's put our dailies in. We've still got 20 minutes to the open. Volatile day. We need to look at the news. Previous daily, that's what we're doing. Let's look at the same scenario. It should be the same as the DXYs. So, previous daily high absolutely pushed a lot higher and a lot lower. That is interesting. Like we discussed earlier on the DXY. And then we're going to put 50%. Woo, look at that. Boom. On equilibrium of today's candle. So let's get rid of that. We don't need the worst entries now. We've done that. Repositions. Can you lower the music? Come on, Shan. It's cool music. Feel the vibe. No? I'll put it down a little bit. Shan, killing the vibes. All right, so that push up to the 61.8 got rejected, pushed higher, came back, found that equilibrium, opened on the equilibrium, now pushing up back to the 61.8. Interesting stuff. What am I on the euro dollar? Different picture on the euro dollar. Look at this. This is why you need to, like, different assets have different information. So we have taken out liquidity below, failed to take the previous high on this one. So even though we went lower, we failed to take the high. So is this going lower is the question. For my euro dollar friends, let's get it ready in case we touch base on that. I didn't move the 50%, that's interesting. Same equilibrium. Gold, still in that area of the weekly. Failed to break out of that fair value gap. Failed to take the high, take the low, similar to the pound dollar. Look at this, we broke above, retraced back in. I'm sure there's fair value gaps in this. Filled fair value gaps, and now we'll see if that pushes up or it's coming down to fill these areas. Let's get that one in as well. Ba-da-da-da. Vibes. Sorry, I'm gonna do this for me. Okay. That's gold. Back to our chart. Let's look at it again. Always tune your eyes on the daily. What we've been doing. We've been pushing up on the pound dollar, haven't we? However, this is the first time it's got to these high levels. We retested the 1618 retracement of the fib on a monthly 3 times, found the 127 on the bottom side, filled the fair value gaps, we've got that sell side liquidity. Question we need to ask is this going to push down before it goes up? That's our biggest question today. Let's see, how we're doing. All right, I think it's time. We need some help. You know what help we need. Has to happen. We need the help of the glorious, the big, the mighty Ragnar. Right, let's get those likes up. 43, unbelievable. Ragnar's not moving until we get those likes up. It's getting ready. Tuning up with Odin, Thor. 45. Look at this. Preparing for a big NFP day. Mmm. 55. We can do better. We can do better. I won't tell you what I've seen. Well, Ragnar won't tell you. Tune. $61. The gods are pushing. Here we go. Bobbing along. Nice moving beard, I agree. Proud of that one. Been grooming it all morning. All right. All right. Units. Let's see what we did. What did Ragnar deliver? Ragnar delivered. We were in the 40s. We're in the close to 70s. Big man. Always delivers. 68. 2 more. Let's make Ragnar happy. 69. Now he's definitely happy. And we're gonna update you on the Discord. Discord is coming. 70. Ragnar did his job. What a legend. What a legend. The troops came together. Good job. Ragnar still wants to be a part of the charts. When we need Ragnar, we'll just bring this in. We know he's coming. When we can hear the call. Can't see the charts, mofos. Yes, you are seeing the big Ragnar. Oh, you can see the charts now. Yanis, since you use ICT concepts, have you ever considered using true daily high and lows instead of a daily candle? So the daily candles use the close of the candle, so the highest point of a closing candle. That's worked for me so far. Are you looking for buys? Stefan says, we don't know yet. We know that there's a play down and a play up. We'll find out. Good morning, all. My wife could be Lagatha. I don't think she's seen it, but I think she would like that. She's a strong woman, courageous woman, a warrior. Discord. Let's do Discord. We've got a bit of time. So, we met with our friend Sunab. What a guy. 18 years old. The baby will be Björn. He does look like Björn. Discord. I'm really excited. We had a good meeting yesterday. Helped me set it up. And I found some cool things. Well, he taught me some cool things that you can do so you can see how the server works. What we're going to do today, we're going to do it together. People that are in here are lucky. You're going to influence how the server looks. I know, he's 18. Genius. Love it. Right, so let's bring the server up. If I go here, server settings. Okay, let's go this. Ta-da! Still work in progress. Oh, YouTube Live. That's new. So this is going to pop in here. It's going to tell us when we're live. Just need to connect it. This is going to be the info. We got Guildhall, and you can't see anything else. Why? Because this shows what each membership is going to see. So this is the free membership. You will see what you currently see now. So you have the info page, frequently asked questions, the most used, which is going to be where's your stops? And you get access to the guild hall. Keeping the theme up. In the guild hall, you'll have a voice chat, which we need to change the name to. Feel free to let me know what we should call it. And we're gonna add some chats, depending on what you guys want. This is gonna be run a lot by the moderator. So for the new guys, whoever's gonna be, I know I have some really cool volunteers which are really keen to moderate the channel. So too many. We can't have so many. But we're gonna start with a few. I know Marcel is keen, and I'm keen to include him. Marcel, actually, I'll send you the Discord. You can't send it to anyone though, so you can start thinking about it. How we can start implementing these things. Can you have a quick look on EU? What's happened? Nothing here yet. Let's see you. Oh, hello. Break of structure. Sorry guys, you asked for it, so Discord has to wait. Taking sell side, 2 questions. Is this going to be sell side to go higher, or is it break of structure, fill fair value gaps, and then continuation? Look at these nice equal highs above here. A lot of liquidity here. Let's get a box. I'm spoiling you guys. Don't start asking EU stuff every day now. Got a fair value gap there. And sell side below there. So drop here. You can, if you're trading that down here, it's a nice little risk. If that comes up into a fair value gap, just 10 pips to the previous daily high, not bad. But obviously you have to know what's happening with this pair. Okay, this looks kind of nice. I'm gonna enter there. How far is this? 5 pips. We're in premium, so we have to be frugal. It's 3 minutes to the open. This is 1 minute. So we have break of structure, full fulfillment of fair value. This here got 1 minute fair value gap on the top there. It's gone a 5 minute. Eight pips to the equilibrium. $37, not bad. This can easily come back down to fill this fair value. This is 1 minute. 2 minutes to go. Previous daily high is 45 pips away. Nice. Nice fulfillment here. Fair value gap. That's the bells of 10 o'clock. On my watch, I've got 2 minutes. We need our units. Let's see. Let's get on the 15 minute. Get a fib. 76.4 are those highs. There's no indication yet that this is pushing lower. So until then, that little area here is quite interesting. This fair value here. Let's take the gap and change it to interesting. Mofos, you still in that live trade long? Can you not see what I here? This is all the trades that you can see. Wait. Oh shit. We're on the wrong account. Are we? Close that. Jesus, that was close. Nearly did it again. Ooh, that was close. So we re-entered a bit better price, I think. Luckily, Mofos asked that question. Right, you have to remind me, guys. Come on. We're back on the main account, which now it's copied as 008 should be. Yeah. Whew, that was close. Let's go back on it. 260. All right. Ooh, we're back. We tried that Zan. It unfortunately changes the colors on both servers, on both accounts. It did give us a better price though. Can't remember what price we had. We're now in at 127,361. 127,361. Be careful, bro. I think this is a Judas move. Short. I'll tell you what, Dorican. If it goes short, good job. It's good because we can get a better price. If it goes up, it's good because we're getting profit. So put things in position where you don't stress so much of what happens. We've forward tested this week, and I think we're getting close to what the market needs. That's why we sized down a little bit, and that gives us the flexibility to break our one lot better. Why did I go long? This fair value gap here, breaking sell side. All this here is sell side. Took out sell side, filled fair value gaps. Potential Judas move coming. Where do we get in? Our second 50% equilibrium. If it takes these lows, we're gonna break our one position, which would be nice. This is the area where I would like to get in more positions. One minute fair value gap filled there, pushing down. Now we're doing a bit of this. Is it going to create a fail of the break of the equilibrium to go higher? Or is it going to break down into this area where we're going to add our two positions? So a total one lot. Where's that guy? It's that time. It's that time. I can sense him. I can sense him coming. Ragnar is here to deploy his units. We have an entry. Our entry is the worst entry. I love that word because people say that was a bad entry. You're right, it's my worst entry. And the price was, let's see, 127,361. 127,361. 361. It's like coordinates. Oh, I have to move it now. I'll say that. Nice entry. Nice worst entry. On that minimum, on the 1 minute for fair value gap. I didn't want to enter anything here. I like this area to set up. So, new units. Let's get ready. Ba-da-da-dum. Units are waiting, hiding, protecting our Vanguard Town Hall. Price is above. Okay, Ragnar. That's what we won you so far. We'll bring you back in. We get the intensity of Ragnar. And then the calm. Conscious day trader. Could we reposition this? Yes. Maybe we should have. It's okay. We can't be perfect. Right, let's go back on Discord. Let's get our phone so we can see our trade. Oh, Discord. Let's get. Wait, I saw. There he is, Marcel. Let's invite Marcel to the Discord. But before we do that, let's touch base on our trade. Where is it? Where is it? Nice. Trade's pushing up. Right, so we have, when you're a free member, I need to change the number of this. It's going to be like something else. You're going to get access to info, Guildhall, help desk, stats, and I think that's just the browse of the channel. So you'll see this, and you're going to start with a welcome. I'm going to change these. These are like tests. You have to read the rules, and you have to disclaimers and all that. I have to do all that. Upgrade. This is where you can upgrade to Vanguard. So when you go to Vanguard, you will get to see the Guildhall. Oh, you should see the Guildhall. I need to fix that. You also see, and the verify needs to be on members. things to fix. That's why I haven't started the Discord yet, because there's some bugs. We are in $30 ground, so that is 6 pips in profit so far. You would get the these chat rooms and also voice chat rooms. These are all going to change name. The monthly book club. And the weekly webinar. It's going to be a Q&A. So you start or join, depending on how many numbers we've got. Depending on how many numbers we've got. When you join you will receive a welcome message. You have to verify by click this. And then you get access to if you're the free member or the Vanguard member. And obviously the moderators get to see a bit more as well for admin stuff. So this is like chats where the admins can chat, server logs, Discord updates, and so on. Now, what I found out, the people that know Discord will know a little bit better about how... Oh, this is quite nice. Filled here. That's a nice short there. If you're shorting this in this fair value. Comes down. Fill this fair value gap. Now it's going to take the lows. Like we said, we're not going to get involved until later. That's what Ragnar said. Yeah, so you get this verify message. You have to click on that, and then it opens up. So let me try and find our friend Marcel. Back in entry territory. What a name. Love it. I think I sent you the request, Marcel. So I can tell us when it receives that. Let's go here. Give me 1 second. Right, pushing back up. Do you still trade open from 127079? The trades from yesterday have been closed. We made some good profits yesterday. We made, look at that push. Eight pips so far. Market is just doing nothing, says Dales. He's doing 8 pips. That's not nothing. Okay, Marcel has found the accept friendship. Let's get him in at right, so if I go here, you should have an invite, Marcel. I need to go rolls. Price is coming back down. Okay, hold on. I'm just sorting out Marcel. All right, so Marcel, you should be a moderator now. Here he is. Marcel is in. Yay, hello world. Verify works. Super. As a moderator, let's see. So Marcel, can you see everything? I should do. Keep that going in the background. Let's have a look at our trades. Filling now that second set of fair value gaps. Pushing here. So far so good. Marcel's checking out our Discord. Looks like he can do some stuff. Oh. Marcel the Explorer. Marcel needs sorting out. Hello Yanis, when you have time, I recommend you to check this indicator. Market order bubbles. What does that do? Morning, Tom. I still had. That's not OCD, Yanis. In live trades, you have two number. I'm not following with that. Pop and clarify. Right, price did a nice little entry here. Is now attempting to take the lows. Let's see if it does. Ba-da-da. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, like we said, big day yesterday. $515. $500,000 with 0.5 lots. Not bad, eh? Ba-da. Oh, I see what you're talking about. I have two trades in. I don't have two trades. Oh, it's because of scroll down. Right, let's do that. 4. Thanks, Bob. Okay, 10:25. People are setting up for NFD. We'll see if we make our, I guess it's 10 pips. Sorry, 50 pips. We are on the long side. However, we've only put our worst entry in, so we're anticipating a push down. Let's look at the DXY. These guys are still pushing. These guys are waiting. These guys want to go there. But it's not as easy as that. 1 second. Yanis, I'm new here. Can you explain your strategy? I see that this is not the typical ICT strategy. So how do you start your day? Daily bias, etc. Or are there videos about this? Well, you're coming at a good time, Matthias. What's the best way to do this? Let's say that my strategy is an evolving strategy, forward testing, based on concept of ICT 2022 up to video 32, with my own version of risk management, which I call repositioning. And what we'll do is we're starting a Discord. So in there will be like frequently asked questions. Give me a couple of days, maybe a week, and then I'll have the Discord running, and I'll there should be some nice areas where you can find your answers. Also, there's loads of videos. If you go back in the lives, Marcel has put in the comments a lot of times where I explain repositioning. And how that works. As you understand, I can't just say the same thing every time. But welcome. Welcome. Big congrats, by the way, to Anna, who joins us sometimes. She just hit 1.2 million as an account. That's big. Good stuff. Another Fivers trader. She's doing great. DXY, that's what we're looking at. Pushing into that area that we said. Did create like higher lows, higher low, lower high, lower high. Failed to break the highs, failed to break the lows. Took liquidity above 4 hour, pushing down, failed to take the lows. Yet to take the lows. Took this fair value here. If that pushes higher, which looks likely, means the pound dollar is coming down. Baba. Let's see. Back in the 8 pips ground on our more on what we would normally get on a 1 lot. So this says obviously this is so like a $50 is 10 pips. $40. Look at this forming now. Is it gonna break? $30 minutes into the session. Let's close that air conditioning. Pushing back into a fair value gap now. Failed to break the highs. Look at those pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pins. So this is a retracement now. Let's see. It's holding it at the 61A of this move. DXY, same place. 103. Gold starting to push up. Another attempt now. Let's see. Marcel is having fun in the Discord. He's giving some good feedback already. Right, let's have some fun with Marcel. We're in the Guildhold. Let's look at the Guildhold. Guildhall. Bring on the YouTube. Let's get some rooms. What voice rooms do we need in the Guildhall? This is your free membership, so feel free to feedback. So this is what you will get. So far we've got chat. We're gonna rejiggle. So it's gonna be like, oh, there he is. Motivation. Maybe rename this the Town Bell Channel. Any members that pass some funded challenge could ring the bell, says Marcel. Obviously you can see a moderator by the red label on the name. My name is going to be in yellow. And I'm not sure what the members are. What color the members are. But what channels shall we have in? Rafa's in the house. Good morning, people. Took 10 pips so far on short. A little bit late because of... If I'm early in the stream, I'm getting confused with my view at different setups. Good stuff. That's the right way, Rafa. Always trade what you see, not what others. Equilibrium high on 5 minute. Bit of a gap there on the 1 minute. That's going to be filled quick. There it is. Let's see. Still holding There is pressure though. Let's see how high that pushes. As always, guys, wait, did I see some good news from someone? Give me a second. So many adverts, Jesus. We're calling from this, we're calling from that. Buy this, buy that. Scott, I'm the same rougher. Whenever I am ready to take a position, I turn the volume off this stream to focus. How dare you, Scott? That's great. That's exactly what you should be doing. Unless it's Ragnar. We never turn the volume down to Ragnar. Members are blue, I think. Okay, so when we get a member in, your name will be blue. There's going to be a different name for... I need to chat that with a developer to have a different name for Vanguard color and a different name for a Guildhall member. Another attempt now, back in the 40. The Pip Eater. Where's your stop loss, bruv? You can tell he's from the UK. You can tell from your accent. Stops is a big conversation. I have a generic stop on my weekly profits. So if I'm making, let's say, 2 to 3 K in a week, I give myself 2.5 K to lose in any week. I never reach that level, but it's there for safety to protect my account. This is a big account, 261,000. With about 21,000 drawdown. Come on, let's get this 10 pips. Not yet. How long did it take you to complete the bootcamp challenge? Bootcamp challenge was about 3 to 4 months. Rafa is Rolo. Alone in the fight. knowing that if I'm getting down there, then there's Ragnar with the units behind me if I'm wrong. I like that. Little Rolo. Do you put a stop of 250 pips away just in case? Guys, let's look at it. Let's see where 2000 is. 2,500 is 122. Do you think that today there could be a drop from 27 to 22? Absolutely not. I'm not aiming to hit this. What happens? That means for that to go down, all the way down here. Let me turn this history off. Without any retracement, zero. Even when we had this big here, this big push, which was very difficult, that's nothing compared to the whole move down here. So, when the price pushes down, any sort of retracement will decrease risk by repositioning, by taking profits, taking partials. So that's just an imaginary figure that we're never going to hit. That's like 500 pips away. And if we had one lot, that would be like maybe up here somewhere. So as long as I'm on the charts and I'm trading, I don't have pending orders, so I know what's going on. I don't technically need to have it on there because it's so far away that it's pretty much a massive global crash. Trust me, if we have a global crash, and the reason for a global crash, I would be worrying for other things a lot more than this trade. So let's hope that never happens. Ambassa, where's the link for the Discord? The only person who has the link right now is Marcel. And he's testing it out. He's giving some good feedback already. So this is the free members. Vanguard needs to be changed, all of it. Obviously these are things that you get Vanguard should have, let's see, nice feedback from Marcel there. So these are, we're going to change all these names. These were set by the 18-year-old. Who's an absolutely genius. And it's made our, I don't know why the Vanguard can't see this. I need to fix that. Maybe everyone gets the blue membership and the Vanguard. That's what it is. So yeah, all this is going to be fixed. Sorry guys, I can't work as quick as everyone wants to, but I am working on it, We are going to get there. Price got rejected again. Let's have a look at that line. Where was it? 15? Pushed down. It was on... I thought we drew a line there. Let's put it back in. This is the story. Lower lows, lower lows. Is this going to start squeezing? Remember, we have an NFP coming. Price broke the lows. Let's see. Where are we? But it could wipe your account, no? Right. Let's discuss that again. Let's go on a monthly. This is the history of pound dollar. Peter says annoying plastic music. You need to find your rhythm, Pete. Come on, dude. Or you need a headset. What's the worst that this is in 2000? Let's do it on TradingView month. This prop here. What is this? First, let's measure this. 6,000 pips in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months. Right? That's the worst thing that's happened in one go in the history since the dinosaurs. All right. And this is before. This is 2008 when we had the crash. So, is it logical to take this as the worst case scenario since the dinosaurs? This happened in 6 to 7 months. Let's take the biggest bad month. 1,500 pips drop on the 1st of August 2008. Now, how can I do this? Can I put a specific date? No, that didn't do it. Come on, people. Some TradingView expert will help me with this. But what I want to tell you is that even in the worst case scenarios, we had 1,500 pips. Let's break that in. Oh, here we go. It took the lows. Let's go back into 1 minute. Nice. We're going to wait for that equilibrium drop and see that respecting that higher highs, still failing to take the lows. So, where is it? So 1,500 pips divided by how many days? Let's do 4 weeks. So 20 days. That is 75. So we're talking about a 750 pip worst case scenario. That's in the worst case scenario in the history of the pound dollar. So, okay, if we have the dinosaurs reappearing and changing things, I think we can be quite confident that we can get out of a bad situation when we can reposition price. But back into equilibrium. Let's see if it takes the lows. Bam, bam. We're going to add to that equilibrium. Now we have 2 entries. And now the battle begins. Yeah, I realized that pop. I need some, I thought you could put like a range of days that you want to see. I'll do some research on it. In general, Ali, if you feel comfortable that you need to have a stop, make sure you put a stop. Always do what works for you. Don't look at me and say Yanis doesn't put a stop when he's on the charts. Because we're on the charts. Like, if something happens, we can react. If I leave the charts, I always put a stop on. But it's very rarely that you'll leave the chart on like my phone, laptop. I do generally put a stop if I'm already in quite big drawdown. Danzel Trades, very excited to be a part of your Discord. This would be my very first trading community in my year of studying demo and 5 hours bootcamp challenge. It's exciting stuff. We've lost Marcel. He's in the Discord world. We lost him. He's gone forever. Ali has nothing. The Space Goat. I disagree. Questions like Ali have a base, you know? When you read, let's say we want to play basketball, and suddenly you say to someone, we're going to play basketball, but we're not going to use free throws. Anyone who's played basketball is familiar with free throws. So when you change something, it's a good question to say, why are we not using free throws? And then we try and explain it, and we try and discuss it, and someone might need to use free throws, someone might not. And that's the great thing about human beings. We're all different. We all ask questions in a different manner. It's not coming from a bad side or a good side. It's just a question. And in this community, every single question will be, it will give its respects. We will give the respect to make sure that we can provide an answer. If we don't know something, we don't know something. If we do things differently, that's still okay. Don't need to apologize. I think it's very crucial for everyone in here to feel like they can ask anything. I think it's that's how you build good habits in a community. Imagine if I was here saying, "What are you talking about, Ali? This is all BS. Get out of here. Who has that helped? Absolutely no one. Not me, not Ali, not the community, not me as a trader, not Ali as a trader. Helps no one. However, if we try and understand what is the actual question, then you can get answers that can help everyone. I agree, Scott. We will do our best to address all the frequently asked questions with a little link where you can go. Let's hug it out. Good habits. I agree. That's one of the books that we're going to read for sure in the book club. What's it called? I think it's called Habits. Great book. Atomic Habits. Amazing book. There's a lot of books that we have to go through. Another one is The 48 Laws of Power. If you've not read that, another good book. Dum dum. Price below equilibrium. Let's see. Taking the lows. This is our next interest area. Our good soldiers are waiting. That's our military situation. We broke out of these lows. It's testing the lows here. taking the lows. Halfway to reposition. Just hit that fair value gap there. Bam, bam. Into the fair value gap. One sec. Okay guys, unfortunately I have some news that we're gonna have to close the live sooner, but as you can see, we'll take now, let's see if we can take this reposition. Let's see if it gives it. So these trades cost $2.50. So anything above 2.5. I mean, we're being picky now, but do we need to be picky? Let's try being picky and we'll see how it goes. If we had done picky yesterday, it would have been fine. All right, there we go. Repositioned. Better price, lower down the chart, at equilibrium, and now we can let it run. Okay, guys, I'm gonna head out. Unfortunately, I have to go to the hospital. Not for me, but for a family member. So have a good weekend. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, the conscious .day trader. Discord is coming. Marcel is the first person in. He's gonna help us out. What a legend. He's gonna help us get this server. Definitely help with the free membership, guys. Sorry it's been short today. A lot of people, 216. Do me a favor and drop a like. I need it right now. I need all the good energy that we can get. But I'll come back on Monday. Monday, I'm not sure if I'll be able to do a live on Monday. Tuesday we'll do it. I hope everyone has a good weekend. Stay safe on the NFP. Don't go crazy. And I'll see you, where is it? Next week. Have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.
I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn bad. Gotta keep on chugging. Ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy. Got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that. It's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up. I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities and never come unless you paying attention. So no, I can't miss that. Moving. MVP, I got the record. I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy. They gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming. Had to work something cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans. Partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no wins. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice. I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my big dog walking big talk. Young veteran, living legend, man. I'm better than them. This is my shit. I'm a jacket like Letterman. Y'all better not let them in. They gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain. The cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend. Not in the pulpit. I'm a big bull in this element. Yeah, said you gon' pull up, then settle it. Yeah, I've been married to this hustle. This is my ring. Watch out, step in it. Yeah, I ain't even got it, y'all, but I'ma get it here. Watch out, touchdown. Pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed. The cut down is for us now. Have to work something cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans. Partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no wins. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice. I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my.
She's driving. I think I'm gonna go now. We have to go soon now, he said. So she speaks to the anesthesiologist.